Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss the topic is sources of big data. Introduction about big data. Big data refers to the vast and complex sets of data that are generated from various sources including social media, sensor, transaction and more. This data is characterized by its large volume, high velocity and wide variety, making it challenging to process and analyze using traditional data processing tools. The emergence of big data has transformed the way organizing operate, enabling them to gain valuable insights, make data-driven decision and drive innovation. What are the sources of big data? First one is internal sources, second one is external sources, third one is other sources. Internal sources means transactional data, customer data and then operational data. Transactional data, it unders the sales, purchase and other business transaction. Customer data, customer information, behavior and interactions between the companies or between any other in medias. Third one is operational data, data from business operations such as supply chain and logistics. External sources, what are the external sources of big data? First one is social media, and then second one is sensor and IoT devices, third one is public data, and then fourth one is web data. Social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn, these responses and posting the details get from the data of the big data. Sensor and to IoT devices, data from sensors, IoT devices and other connected devices. So these are the data are input to the big data. So the vast amount of data is available in our big data sources. Third one is the public data, the government data, weather data and other publicly available data. So public data, every people have many amount of data. So our big data sources is very vast amount of data, web scraping, web analytics and other online data. So web based applications are available many available in our web sources. So these data will be a very large amount of data. Other sources, machine generated data, crowd sources data, open data initiatives. Machine generated data generated by machines such as log files and sensor data. Crowd source data cloud collected from crowdsourcing platforms and communities, and then open data innovatives, data served through open data innovatives and platforms. This is the machine generated data. All of you were known as the YouTube data is the one of the machine generated data. So previous time whatever you have searched, the next day day after day the same type of posters, links and videos are shown in our devices. Conclusion, big data is generated from a diverse range of sources including social media, IoT devices, transactional data and more. Understanding these sources is critical for organization to harness the power of big data and can gain valuable insights. By leveraging these sources, business can make data driven decision, drive innovation and stay competitive in today's fast-paced digital landscapes. So the big data analytics is the vast recent technologies, and in big data there are big data professions. There are many job opportunities are available in our software companies and then Google and Microsoft. So it is a important concept. Thank you students.